Okay, I'm doing the voiceover for this. So you'll need a socket set. It's all 14 millimeter bolts on the double cab. It might be different for the, I believe it's Crew Max and lower. Do not all fold forward. That might be wrong. Crew Max might not either. But this is just for the 2.5 gen. I believe it also works for the second gen. You need to remove all the bolts and lift the seat actually out. You can't just lift up the seats. You actually have to pull them forward and off of the little dowel pins that hold them down. And then you're gonna lift up the seat and you'll lean it all forward, and there's 4 brackets on the back wall that I'll show you here in a clip coming up that you are going to bend probably down to about 30 degrees from 90. They're pretty steep. You'll be able to feel it with your finger when you're doing it. I just used a rubber mallet once I have the seats forward, which is coming up right here. So they're just along the back wall. There's also 4 kind of like hooks on the back of the seat that you can cut instead of bending them, but that includes either using an ankle grinder or something on the back of your seat, which I wasn't going to do. But other than that, they just fold forward like that. Really easy. Both sides do it. I'm going to show you here in just a second, but that's the bracket. There's 4 total, so 2 for the long part, and then there's 2 for the backside of the short seat as well. And then you just put them up by lifting up the seat and pushing the back onto those hooks and just dropping the seat down like you would normally, completely secure. This is just me showing the other side here. Same thing, lift up the front, pull it forward, lift up all of them together, and you'll see it kind of like lifts up and hooks on. I have some trouble with the headrest there, so I cut it. But yeah, thank you for watching. That's how you do the seat hack.